After an accident, you may ask, why should I hire an attorney? It's a valid question with an easy answer, because you're not an attorney. And who's on the other side of your case? An insurance company filled with attorneys. They're trained to do this. You're not. We know what you're thinking. I can do it myself. Hey, we respect the initiative. If you've got a leaky pipe, you don't immediately call the plumber. You grab a wrench and you take a crack at it yourself. But imagine, instead of a small leak, you've got a foot of standing water. Chances are, you're calling the plumber. The law can be every bit as complicated as plumbing. But in the law, unlike plumbing, it's not always easy to tell if you've got a minor problem on your hands or a major one. As attorneys, we can, and we will fight to repair the damage. Remember how an insurance company does business. They collect premiums, and it all goes in their bucket. A lot of people think, pay into the bucket, people file claims, money comes out of the bucket, and everyone's happy, right? Wrong. Here's something they don't want you to know. The insurance company wants all that money to stay in the bucket so they can keep it. Attorneys have the know-how to get you the amount you deserve. Also, keep in mind, a personal injury case isn't one negotiation, it's a whole series of negotiations between the insurance company, the auto repair shop, the doctor, the hospital, the specialist. The list goes on. And there's a professional on the opposite side of every one of those negotiations. You don't need to be a sports fan to know the pros always beat the amateurs. To ensure that a fair amount from your settlement goes to everyone involved, especially you need a professional on your side. Maybe you don't want to hire an attorney because it doesn't feel right. You say, accidents happen. Forgive and forget. I can take care of this on my own. But think of it this way. If your kid accidentally throws a ball through the neighbor's window, what do? Sure, you make the kid apologize, but then you offer to pay for the window. People make amends for the damage they cause. That's just what's fair. When you hire an attorney, you're not trying to go after people. You're just trying to make things fair. Now, all these benefits of having an attorney, what do they amount to? Almost every time, a significantly bigger settlement. Subscribe for more videos or click here to visit the Brown & Crouppen website and ask us another legal question that you may have.